So here is an invoice for a customer using the MoveRight CRM in less than 5 minutes. As you can see, the timer here is at 13 seconds. So when you come to the invoice page, click on create invoice. Then you select a code from the already existing codes. These are accepted codes. On the drop down, you select a code. For Adams, the code has been generated already, so we are making an invoice. Enter the customer's email here, the phone number, the customer's address, and a due date. There's an option to input a due date, or you could use this payment term: due on receipt, 15 days, 60 days after receipt. So let's say the due date is 20th of is February 20th 2026. So the quantity, this house services, is a move for the house, and the price is 365, and it has a tax input and a discount input as well. If you want to give your customer a discount, this is where you input the price. This for tax, and as you know now, the government has stipulated that tax payment is required for transaction. So you can as well keep this empty at 0, but by default is at 7.5. As you can see here, is at 7.5. And here you can input an additional note. I'm just going to say truck size 8 tons. You can put in anything as additional note to give out your customer more information. And you can add more items to the invoice list for customers that are requiring one or more than one services. Then once I'm done, I think I've made a mistake here. Alright, yeah, truck size. So once I'm done, I click on create invoice, and as you can see, the invoice has been created in 2 minutes. So you can preview the invoice from here and see what you have here is drafted, invoice number, and you can edit and update any information you might have entered wrongly. You can change the status from here as well, then update. If I click send, it sends a copy of the invoice to the customer's email, so I'm not going to do that right now. Then when you click here, it downloads the invoice for us to see. So it's downloaded already as PDF. You can send the PDF copy on WhatsApp. So it's drafted, the reference number, the date, and the due date we entered. This shows the company's logo and the company's info, and from and billed to the customer's details. Then the invoice here shows the invoice and the quote number, the quantity, the price, subtotal, tax, and the total due. Here shows the company's payment information, and here's the note we included just down here, and this is the footer of the invoice. So as you can see, the invoice is well structured and everything was prepared in less than 3 minutes. It's not even up to 5 minutes. So I'm going to close this and go back to the CRM. So I hope you get your hands on MoveRight CRM to make your moving business easier, to make it stress-free, to make it worth it. This is one out of many functions of the MoveRight CRM, and there's a lot more to it, because this is your moving business, your complete moving business in a software, and you might want to try this out to make your work very easier and stress-free. Thank you.